Hello, word enthusiasts, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on another linguistic adventure. Today, we're diving into a fascinating B1 level verb, combine. Combine means to bring together or merge. It's a word we use all the time to describe the act of joining things, whether physical objects, ideas, or even efforts. Think of it as the opposite of separating or dividing. Now, let's break down the definition a bit further. Combine implies a joining of two or more things to create a single entity or mixture. For example, you might combine ingredients to bake a cake, or combine resources to achieve a goal. It's a really versatile word. Let's look at some synonyms for combine. A good synonym is merge. You could say, the two companies decided to merge, which means they joined together to form one larger company. Another synonym is unite. We must unite our efforts to solve this problem, implies bringing together different actions for a common purpose. Then there's integrate, suggesting a more complex and thorough blending. The software integrates seamlessly with our existing systems. Think of amalgamate as well, meaning to mix or blend into a single body. The different schools will amalgamate into one large district. Finally, consider incorporate, meaning to include something as part of a whole. This design incorporates elements from different cultures. Now, let's explore some antonyms, words with opposite meanings. A direct antonym is separate. We need to separate the recyclables from the trash. Another antonym is divide. The teacher will divide the class into groups. Then we have disconnect. Please disconnect the power before you start working on the appliance. Consider detach as well, which means to unfasten or remove. Carefully detach the sticker from the package. And finally, isolate. The patient was isolated to prevent the spread of the disease. So, we've seen that combine means to bring together, and its antonyms highlight the act of keeping things apart. Let's delve into how we use combine in everyday life. You might say, I like to combine my workout with a healthy diet. Or, we need to combine our skills to finish this project on time. You can combine different colors when painting, combine different flavors when cooking, or even combine different ideas during a brainstorming session. Common expressions include phrases like, let's combine forces, which means working together as a group. You might also hear, that's a good combination, referring to things that work well together. Here are some more examples of combine in sentences and phrases. She decided to combine her love of writing with her passion for travel. The recipe says to combine the flour, sugar, and baking powder in a bowl. We need to combine all the data into a single report. The company plans to combine its marketing and sales teams. The artist combines traditional techniques with modern technology. The two countries decided to combine their military resources. Scientists are working to combine different therapies to treat the disease. This software allows you to combine multiple documents into one PDF. The chef is known for combining unusual ingredients to create delicious dishes. The company's success is a result of combining innovation with hard work. They're trying to combine different sources of energy to power the city. The committee decided to combine the two proposals into a single document. The musician combines elements of jazz, blues, and rock in his music. The teacher combines lectures with group activities to make the class more engaging. The architect combines functionality with aesthetics in his designs. The athletes combine strength training with cardio to improve their performance. The scientists combine theoretical knowledge with practical experiments. The organization seeks to combine the efforts of volunteers and professionals. The project aims to combine sustainable practices with economic development. The company strives to combine high quality with affordable prices. So, to recap, combine means to bring together or merge. We've explored its synonyms like merge, unite, integrate, amalgamate, and incorporate. We also looked at antonyms such as separate, divide, disconnect, detach, and isolate. We saw how combine is used in everyday conversations and common expressions. I hope this episode has helped you understand the word combine a little better. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And now, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word combine and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy learning!